In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the Gantt in Monday.com. Exporting your Gantt chart is really helpful when you want to share timelines with clients, teammates, or stakeholders who don't work directly inside Monday.com, or when you need a file for presentations or documentation. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're in the board where your project data lives, because the Gantt view is created from that board. At the top of your board, you'll see a row of views. Look for the small plus sign above your board. This is where you can add new views for your data. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. A menu will open showing different types of views you can add. From this list, choose Gantt. Once you click on Gantt, Monday.com will generate a Gantt view based on the items and dates you already have in your board. If your tasks have start and end dates, you'll see them displayed as bars along a timeline. Give the Gantt view a moment to load. You can quickly scan it to make sure everything looks correct. Tasks, dates, and dependencies if you're using them. This is the view that will be exported, so it's worth confirming it reflects the information you want to share. Now look inside the Gantt view for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. This is usually located in the top corner of the Gantt view area. Click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to this view. From that drop-down, click on Export. This will open a dialog or sub-menu that lets you choose how you want to export your Gantt chart. Here, you'll be asked to select the type of export you want. Depending on your account and current options, you might see formats like PDF, image, or other supported types. Carefully select the export type that best matches your needs. For example, a PDF might be useful for printing or sending as an attachment, while an image file can be easily dropped into slides or documents. Once you've selected the type, Monday.com will generate the export file and either download it to your computer or prompt you to save it. And that's all there is to it. By clicking the plus sign to add a Gantt view, opening the three-dot menu, choosing Export, and selecting your preferred type, you can quickly share a clear visual timeline of your project outside of Monday.com.